covering the open versus public in the Swift iOS. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So these are the basic access modifier that we use in the Swift. So what's the basic difference? Here we will cover this in the practical example. Let's go into the theory of this video, and after that we will cover this into the practical example. Sorry. So what's the open in the Swift? So this is the where you can access all the data members and the member function within the same module target and outside of it, and you can subclass override the outside the module target. So basically, what does that mean? It means that we can access all the members that are defined in the class or the actual class, and we can also override or subclass those uh, open classes. And for the public, this is the same as the open. The only difference is that we can't subclass override the outside the module or the target. So if the class is defined as the public in the another target, then we can't subclass it in the our another target. So this is the basic theoretical difference that we are getting here. So now let's move into the practical example of it. So here I have this a small uh, project that I have created. So here I will be doing some. I will be opening the terminal and will be installing a pod here that I have created by myself. So you can find the link of that pod here. So what you have to do is you have to install this pod. This is basically a contributor that available in the UI picker view. Correct. So let's move here and run the pod install. I am assuming that all of us aware of the how to create a pod file and the pod. Correct. So go here, close this one, and open this file. Correct. Now let's move this, run this project. Just select any target, run this project here. So what we have done is we have installed the Swifty uh, country picker here. So this is the country picker. So what we are going to do here, country picker view. So we are creating the outlet of it. And the outlet of it will be created here. The storyboard. We are just adding that picker view here and giving the normal constraint. Um, yeah, this is done. So now just set the class of it to safety picker view, create the outlet of it here, country picker view, and now if I run this, so let's see how we can configure it. So we can configure this with this code. Let's go there, and in the view date load, just add this thing. Sorry. Yeah. So now we have added this one, and we have added this one. Okay. So now let's see, run this project. Now let's see what will happen. Okay, so we can see that all the picker values are here. The country picker is working fine here. So now what we have to do is we have to do, yeah, find the basic difference between public and Yeah, let's go into this pod file and check the how the country picker view is defined. So you can see that the public country picker view is defined as the public access modifier. So it means we can access it outside the target. Like you can see, we have created the outlet here, so we can easily access the this class here in the our view controller. So pod is the another target, and the our public and open project is the another target. So basically for that, after that, if I try to now, if I try to create the another class, suppose I'm creating another class, expanded country picker UI. Sorry, what is it? Country picker view function setup. I'm just trying to write something. So let's see if we can, access this class here. You can see that country picker outside of its definition module. So cannot inherit from the non-open class country picker view outside of this of its defining module. So here you can see that we can't actually inherit the country picker view class into the another class. So after this, if I go there and if I try to convert this class into the open, and now let's see what happens. I have created this class as open now. So if I go here and try to run this code, let's see. Yeah, now you can see that we are able to access the country picker view class, because now we have the open access modifier available to this. So basically, so now what is opening is doing here, that it is allowing us to inherit or subclass this class into the another class. Uh, so this is the basic difference in the open and the public class. Basically the access modifier that we are using here, the open and the public. So when we were using the public access modifier, we were not able to inherit that class into the another class. But once we have defined that class as the open class, then we can, override the, now I can also override the some function of its class here, like uh, give me a second. Yeah, so set country picker view. If I try to, write this method here, that country picker view. Overriding method. Now try to run this. As you can see, we also can't override this function because it is defined as the uh, public here. So if I change this function to the open, then I can also use that. I may override that function here without any complications. Yeah. So guys, if you think that this video is helpful for you, please like, subscribe, and share to my channel. And thank you for this video.